Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to see how Handfruit Newborn Pullet X looks like. I don't know the pronunciation of this, so this is the thing, the actual product. So what it says that is it's the first egg which is like produced by hand. So it's like very nutrition, and it costs around 285 for 24 units. So Handfruit which have a protein max category which is on the higher side gives you around 30 eggs with this price, but this newborn ones are actually 24 for 285. So it's, I think, one of the most costliest egg in the market. So let's see the size of it. So that's how it will look like. So I think in Delhi it is available only through Big Basket. So I tried Grofar, Amazon, and many other sites, but I'm not able to get one of these. So Big Basket have that product, just in case you're interested, and you can see the contents of it. And I think most of the like eggs has a similar kind of thing, the nutrition value if you talk about. And this is how the egg quality looks like. So it's not a brown egg, it's totally a white one. And this is the size of this. It's quite small as compared to the other egg. So if you want to compare it with my Licious egg, so I will just show you the size difference between them. So on left this is Licious egg, and on my right hand it's newborn one. So Handfruit newborn one, it's quite smaller. So this is the difference you will get, and you can see it's like really costly. I get it around for 170 rupees due to the like expiry date. I can consume it within I think 10 days, so I bought that one from the Big Basket. So that's how it looks like, and you can see the quality of it. I need to zoom it. I think I'm not an expert on this, but I guess you get the idea by looking at it if you are an expert and looking for the particular like size thing and information about this egg. So the only complaint is it's very small, but I don't know, maybe they are born like that. So it's a special category, and this is the package you will get. So I have already shown you the price of this, and it's 16 November 2020, and it says always 21 days from the manufacturing date. So that's it for this. If you have any question and you want link for this, please ask, or I might add it in the description if I get the time. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.